Hi families, I'm going to make this quick video just to explain how to use Google Classroom on the iPads. So I have one of the class iPads right here. So click the home button. If you click it again, then it'll come up with this. All of the passwords is right up the middle, so 0852. And that will get you in. Now there's going to be some apps preloaded. You're just going to scroll and look for the Classroom. So the Classroom icon is this one. It just says Classroom right below it. It might even be down here for you too. So if you click on it, it should bring you straight to the students' Google Classroom already. Oh, that lighting isn't very good. Okay, so here is this one. So this is for the Mustard group. And you can see that I posted one assignment. It says new assignment, HESYK, remote learning check-in attendance. So this is going to be something you're going to go to every single day that your child is not at school. So let me say that again. Every day that your child is not at school, you will do this for and with your child. If they come to school on those other days, they don't need to fill it out. So we're just going to click on it. We're going to tap on it. You can open in Chrome is what I would recommend. And then it's going to bring you to this Google Forms. So now remember, everything with Google Classroom you're going to have to do for your child. Do it together, kind of help them with it, but it's mostly going to be you and them sitting next to you. So this is just a few questions as a check-in with you on your days off. So the first question, what is the weather doing outside? You can type in your answer and click go. What did you have for breakfast? So just tap right in that box, type your answer. Keep scrolling. What are you excited to practice out of your learning kit today? So ask your child what are they excited about from their kit. Type the answer. And if it's the same answer as yesterday, that's okay. And then we will click submit. And that's it. Response submitted and assignment marked as done. So now if we click open assignment, it will bring us right back to the assignment. And we know that we are done because it already said that it marked it as done. Now if you look for this arrow right up here, we can click back, and this will bring us back to the home page of Google Classroom. So you can see down here there's Stream, Classwork, and People. So Stream is just this home page that it's going to bring you to. If you click on Classwork, it'll have all of your assignments. Now that's the only assignment right now, but eventually it'll be split up into subjects. So there'll be a math subject, a reading subject, a writing subject, and all of the assignments will be right in there. And then I'm sure this will probably just always be on the top. The people, that's right there, so this is just the students in the class, nothing to really worry about on your part. And that's kind of the basics of it. There is this over here. I wouldn't worry too much about anything really in that setting, so you're just going to want to stick on your child's class. And that should be the only class they have, other than maybe art or music or one of those specials if that teacher decides to do it that way. So hope this helps, just a quick tutorial. Thanks, bye.